Do you want to know if AppFlame really is an easy and fast way to make some extra money by playing games, or if it is a waste of time? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael and I have joined to test this app here myself, and in this AppFlame review here I'll give you an inside look, I'll show exactly how it works, and I'll also show you how I actually earned enough to get paid in just 1 minute. So I will also show you payment proof, but also explain a little bit more about the long-term potential, because that is also very important to consider. So before I pull AppFlame up on my screen here and show you around, let's go over who can join. And AppFlame is an app you can download, earn by playing games. I'll show all that later, but you can join it from more or less all countries. They do not have a list of all countries it's available in. You need to go to Google Play Store. That's the only place where you can find it. You cannot find it through the App Store currently. And then if it's available for you, then it is available in your country or not. But as mentioned, it's available in a lot of different countries, but there might be a few countries it's not available in. I cannot give you one exact answer for that. That's just something you have to test out if you think it is worth it after watching this video here. But let me now pull it up on the screen so you can see exactly how it works and if it will be worth it. So I have now pulled AppFlame up on the screen here. It is very simple and easy to use. All you need to do is here, when you come in, you can see you are on this here called featured here, up here, and that's where you can see the featured games. That is the games that you can download and get paid to play. You can see here how much you would get per minute here for each of these games here. However, this will change the longer you play. So this is what you will start getting when you first download it and play. Eventually it will keep going down, so it will take more effort to play, but we'll talk a little bit more about that later when we talk about the long-term earning potential. But for now, you just need to go here. You need to find the games you want to download and play. You just click here. It will take you to the Google Play Store where you need to download it. And then once you have downloaded some, you can go here to My Apps over here. And here you can find a list of the games you have already downloaded. And then you need to enter here. You just click whatever game it is, and then it will open up and you will start playing it, and it will count the minutes you play, and once in a while you get a little notification. You've earned this and this many coins here, and you will be able to see that here inside your AppFlame account here right away. So it's a very easy way to earn. If you like playing games, it can even also be fun. But just one thing here is that when you see the featured apps here, when you first join, or once in a while, there might not be a lot. In my experience, if you just download one or two, more will start showing up. So if you can't find any you really want to play, then you can still try to download one, play it a little bit, and then see if no other comes up. They do change it all the time. New games are added regularly. But let's now talk a little bit more about how much you long-term can earn and how fast I earn, because as mentioned earlier, I earned very quickly for my first payout. So I just jumped back to the overview of my apps here, because here you can see now here, the reason I haven't installed others is because I wanted to prove something here. And you can see I have one app installed here, and you can see here I played it 1 minute and 9 seconds in total. And I have been paid by AppFlame already, because that is all it took for me to earn enough to get paid, because they have a very low payout threshold and you get a good joining bonus when you first join. So the payout threshold and exact payout methods we'll talk about in just a second, but it can vary from country to country. But this is just to show here that this is all I have played here to reach the payout threshold. And this is basically all you can do inside the app. This is here. You can also go, of course, and invite other people if you want to earn a little bit extra. You can see down here they have that option. But other than that, it is by playing these games here. But let me jump to my inbox where I show you an email, because I did get paid from PayPal, and then we'll talk a little bit more about the long-term potential, because you need to consider that before deciding to download this or not. So I have just jumped to my inbox because I played 1 minute. I reached the payout threshold. In my country, it's around 50 cents. You can see it is here 0.43 euros here that I got paid out. That was the minimum amount. I just took it out right away to make sure if it actually paid before recording this video here. And then I got the money here within 2 days or so. Sometimes it might take a little bit longer, but one thing you need to be aware of is before you can get paid, this is quite similar to, for example, Cash Mall that I also have a video about here, but you have to do this facial recognition where you film your face and it takes a few pictures for them to verify your account. I find it very strange and a little bit uncomfortable, but that's just something you have to do if you want to get paid, so that's something you need to consider. But as you can see, I actually did get paid here. I received the money into my account here. So it does pay, as mentioned also earlier, how quickly you can get paid, meaning the payout threshold can vary a little bit from country to country. In my country, I can choose to get paid in cash via PayPal and choose between a few different gift cards. In other countries, it will be other gift cards because they will depend on your country. But overall, the payout threshold is quite quick to reach the first time because you get a good joining bonus, and then you usually only have to play a little bit to reach the payout threshold. But let's talk about how much it would require to earn long term. So as you can see, AppFlame does pay, but is it really worth it? Well, it really depends on your expectations. It's very fast to reach the payout threshold the first time because you get a good joining bonus, but the earnings will keep going down. That is how it is with apps like this. The more you play, the less you get per minute. So it will build up, so it will require you to play a long time to earn enough to get paid. And that's one thing you need to consider. I would say it can be a fun way to earn a bit extra, but if you're looking for effective ways to earn, then it's just not in the long run an effective way to keep earning, because it will just require more and more effort, and eventually it will take quite a long time to, for example, earn a few dollars. But if you do like to play games anyways, and you like some of the games they offer there, then why not earn a little bit extra at the same time? So overall, to sum it up, AppFlame, it does pay. It takes some patience after you get your first payout for sure. But if you do like playing games, then it can be fun. But in my opinion, it's not a very effective way to earn, and therefore it's not really one that I would be using more. It's very similar to many other apps, but there just are ways to earn by playing games that are more effective in my experience. I will leave a link below here to a video I have about gaming apps where you can earn faster. So you can check that out if you're interested. But if you had been wondering whether AppFlame actually does pay or not, then it does. You just need to be aware of this weird facial recognition you need to do before you can get paid. If you do not feel comfortable about that, then do not even start using it, because then you can't get paid. But anyways, I hope this video here helped you figure out whether you should use AppFlame or not. And if it did help you, then make sure to hit the like button. And also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I see a video with tips and tricks about different free ways to make some extra money on the side online.